studying about the conversion of unit. Exercise first C we were doing. So now I hope first question you have done nicely, and now second question we will start. Second question is convert 75 centimeter to decimeter, hectometer, meter and kilometer. So this we will have to see that how to convert these units into centimeter, convert into decimeter, meter, hectometer and kilometer. Okay, so let me start. And I had told yesterday that this is the table which you will have to remember it. So by the using of this table, easily you can convert the units also. Look at here. Deca means 10, hecto means 100, kilo means 1000. Okay, deci means 1/10, centi means 1/100, milli means 1/1000. Okay, so now unit of length meter. So in 1 decameter, 10 meter, in 1 hectometer, 100 meter, in 1 kilometer, 1000 meter, like this. And in 1 meter, in 1 decimeter, 1/10 meter, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. So this unit conversion of unit I have told yesterday. Now we will utilize it also. So 75 centimeter we have to convert into decimeter. Okay, so look at here, decimeter. This is decimeter, means 1/10 meter is equal to 1 decimeter. So means 1 meter is equal to, this 10 will go 1 into 10 decimeter, means 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. Okay, so now in 1 meter how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter. So we can write 100 centimeter is equal to 10 decimeter. Okay, so because in 100 centimeter there is 10 decimeter, so in 1 centimeter is equals to 10/100 decimeter. Therefore, in 75 centimeter is equal to 10/100 into 75. 0 to 0 cancel. So 75/10, that means 7.5 decimeter. Means this is the logic that how to convert into, this is the method how to convert into decimeter, centimeter into decimeter. Okay, but in shortcut you can remember that whenever we will convert centimeter into decimeter, then just simply we have to divide by 10. Okay, अगर हमें सेंटीमीटर को decimeter में बदलना हो, then what we have to do? We have to only divide by 10. If you remember this, then no problem, directly you can divide by 10. But if you don't remember, and if you remember this chart, then you can do like this. From chart I have seen that 1 decimeter is equal to 1/10 meter, means 1/10 meter is equal to 1 decimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 into 10. This 10 has gone there and multiplied, and so means 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So and we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter में 100 centimeter होते हैं, तो 100 centimeter is equal to 10 decimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 100 में 10 होते हैं, तो 1 में कम होंगे. For less we will do divide, and for 75 1 में अगर इतने हैं तो 75 में कितने होंगे? More. For more we do multiply, so we have multiplied, so it has come 75/10, so 7.5. So if you want to do directly centimeter, I give 93 centimeter convert into decimeter. Okay, so what you will have to do directly 93 upon 10. So that means 9.3 decimeter. Directly you can do, no problem. Understood? But what is the logic behind it? The logic is this. Understood? So answer 75 centimeter is equal to 7.5 decimeter. Understood everybody? Now second thing, convert 75 centimeter into meter. 75 centimeter into meter. We know that in 1 meter there is a 100 centimeter. So from smaller unit we have to convert it to bigger unit. So we will have to do divide. हमें divide करना पड़ेगा. So 75 divided by 100 by shortcut method. So when we divide any number by 100, then decimal will move before 2 digit. So 2 digit before means 0.75 meter. So answer is 0.75 meter. This is the answer. Because in 1 meter there is a 100 centimeter. Understand? If you remember the units, then no need to see this chart. But if you don't remember the unit, then you will have to take the help of this chart. Understood? Hectometer. Now 75 centimeter into hectometer. Look at here. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. So 100 meter is equal to 1 hectometer. From here hectometer. So 100 meter is equal to 1 hectometer. So meter we can convert into centimeter. So in 1 meter there is a 100 centimeter. So 100 into 100 centimeter is equal to 1 hectometer. So 100 into 100 means 10,000 centimeter is equal to 1 hectometer. So 1 centimeter is equal to, because 10,000 centimeter is equal to 1 hectometer, therefore 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectometer. Okay, एक 1 सेंटीमीटर में 1 upon 10,000 हेक्टोमीटर है, तो 75 सेंटीमीटर is equal to 1 upon 10,000 multiplied by 75 means 75 upon 10,000. Okay, so when we divide any number by 10,000, then decimal will move before how many digits? 4 digits. But we have only 2 digits, so we will put 2 more zeros again. So it will come 0.0075 hectometer. Understand? So this is our answer, how to convert the centimeter into hectometer. Means in shortcut, if you want to remember, then remember like this, when we convert centimeter into hectometer, then we will have to divide by 10,000. ठीक है, अगर जब भी हमें सेंटीमीटर को हेक्टोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो हमें किससे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा? 10,000 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. Understand? So we will have to divide by 10,000. So answer has come 0.0075. Understood everybody? Now we have to convert into kilometer. Everybody knows that there is a 1000 meter in 1 kilometer. Everybody knows. So in 1000 kilometer, there is a 1 kilometer. So in 1 meter, so we can say we can convert this meter into centimeter. So how to convert meter into centimeter? Multiply by 100, because in 1 meter there is a 100 centimeter. So we will multiply. So it will convert into centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. So 1000 into 100, 1 lakh centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. Okay. So in 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 1 lakh kilometer. Therefore, in 75 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 1 lakh into 75. So 75 upon 1 lakh. So when we divide any number by 1 lakh, then how many digits before we place the decimal? We place before how many digits? 5 digits before we place the decimal. But we have only 2 digits. So 3 more zeros we have to put. 0.1, 2, 3 and 75 kilometer. Okay. So 75 centimeter we want to convert into kilometer. So we will have to divide it by which number? 1 lakh. जब भी हमें सेंटीमीटर को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना होता है तो हम किससे डिवाइड करते हैं? 1 lakh से. ओके, तो डायरेक्टली यू कैन डू whenever you want to convert centimeter into kilometer, just divide by 1 lakh. Okay, so answer will come 0.00075. Understood everybody? How to convert these units? Now student, third question we will have to take. Express 18.6 meter into decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, decameter and hectometer. Okay, so first 18.6 meter into decimeter. Okay, so we know that 1 meter is equal to how many decimeter? 10 decimeter we had seen already. Okay, so 18.6 meter is equal to 18.6 multiplied by 10. Whenever we multiply any decimal number by 10, that decimal will move 1 digit ahead. Means this decimal will move 1 digit ahead. So what answer will come? 186.0 deci. Understand? So answer is 186 decimeter. 0.0 if you will not write, no matter it is, you can ignore it. Okay. Second, in centimeter, 18.6 meter into centimeter. Everybody knows that in 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. So we will have to multiply it by 100. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 18.6 meter will be equal to 18.6 into 100 is equal to. Whenever we multiply any decimal number by 100, then decimal will move 2 digits ahead. So there is only 1 digit, so 1 0 we can put here, no problem. Now 2 digits are there. So after decimal we put decimal will move after 2 digits, so it will come 1860.0 centimeter. So answer will come 1860 centimeter. Understood everybody? Now third one, 18.6 meter we have to convert into millimeter. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So 18.6 meter is equals to 18.6 multiplied by 1000. So whenever we multiply decimal number by 1000, then decimal will move 3 digits ahead, but we have only 1 digit here, so 2 more zeros we can put. So answer will come 18600.0 millimeter. Means our answer will come 118,600 millimeter. Understand everybody how to do? And now we have to convert into decameter. Look at here, there is a difference between decameter and decimeter. Whenever we will write decameter, then we will write DAM. And whenever we will write decimeter, then we write only DM. Understand? Decameter showing by DAM, it can represent by DAM, and decimeter represent by DM only. Understand? So these things remember. We know that in one decameter is equals to how many meter? 100 meter, 10 meter. 10 meter is equals to 1 decameter. So 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 10 decameter. So 18.6 meter is equal to 1 upon 10 into 18.6. So whenever we divide any number by 10, then decimal will move before 1 digit. Okay? जब भी हम किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर को 10 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो डेसिमल 1 डिजिट बिफोर मूव हो जाता है. तो मीन डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट 1.86 decameter. Understand? So this is the answer. Now last one, that is hectometer. Last one, that is hectometer. This was now 18.6 meter is equal to hectometer. So look at here, in 1 hectometer how many meter? 100 meter. So 100 meter is equal to 1 hectometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 100 hectometer. So 18.6 meter is equal to 1 upon 100 into 18.6. So 18.6 divided by 100. So whenever we divide any number by 100, then decimal will move 2 digit before. So answer will come 0.186 hectometer. So answer will come 0.186 hectometer. Understood everybody how to convert the given unit into the another unit? These all things we have seen today. I hope you understood nicely. Okay, so thank you very much.